Hi guys, good morning everybody, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day, it's a brand new week. Hope you all had a wonderful weekend, and yeah, we enjoyed our weekend. Now it's a new week. It's the morning, Tyler is already up getting ready, and yeah, hope you all having a good day and enjoy the vlog.
I'm going to school, Mama. When I'm going to school.
No, you don't go to school. You keep Papa kiss already?
Yeah, I'll kiss him again.
I love you.
I love you too, Tyler.
Aww.
You have a good day at school, okay?
Okay. Mama.
Yes.
Look on my board how you spell Delaveaus on the right here.
Okay.
Like that's how you spell Delaveaus.
Cool. Did you spell it all by yourself?
Yes.
That's the name of the hotel?
Yes.
Okay. That's how much you tell it to spell it?
Yes.
Okay.
Which didn't tell me how to spell it like that. It's because we popped it and I
And you
read how
saw
it
it?
spell and I did it just like that how it spell.
Bye, honey.
Bye bye.
Bye, Tyler. Love you. Bye, baby.
Love you too.
Mama.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night, you guys. Doing morning routine at my
Mama.
baba. You don't hear me talking.
It's just Mama.
Yes, guys.
The grass score is a hotel and that nobody in it is when we have no house and that have the beds, that have toys, a lot of rooms. It's just like a house.
Yeah, but it's bigger than a house. It's
Oh
big,
yes,
big, big,
oh
big.
yes, and if they go on the top, they see the flag off. Yes.
Hi guys, I hate when the camera is at this angle. It's dark. Y'all can't see us much.
Yeah, I can't.
Let's change the angle.
Oh, now
Oh, that's better. We see you.
Mama, when we were over, when the fish was over there, we can't see them.
Right. You guys, we are up, doing our routine, getting Tyler ready. Sarah is still sleeping. Because she have Mama in zombie mode all night. So I'm just getting my boy ready so we can head out, get down at the day here. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully you guys will stay loved and stay blessed and stay
Mama, there was
motivated
the post office.
throughout today, and stay productive also throughout today.
Mama,
Yes, Di?
it looks like this is the post office and this is the Negra school.
Okay. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, you guys, as always. Always, always, always. Keep those head up and keep doing what you gotta do. Go get your shoes, baby. Anyway, you guys, I'm going to go pick up Sarah, get her dressed and fresh, and head out to drop Tyler to school. Look who's awake! Say morning, Faves! Okay, get a compote, a cake, and a biscuit.
Okay, a compote, 2 compotes, right?
Yes, very good.
A compote,
A cake and a biscuit.
a cake, and that.
Biscuit.
Happy biscuit.
Very good. Where's your pan? Take out your pan out of the bag. We're packing snacks, you guys. Open it.
Mama,
Yes.
I'm excited that I'm helping you today.
You always help me. You're a very good boy.
Yes, because I want to help you.
Make
Because
sure when you go to school today, you don't follow others. You hear me? Okay? You be a leader, Tyler, not a follower. Do you understand?
Yes.
And you listen when Mistress speak.
Bye-bye, but look at me.
Your gloves in the side. Take it out. Eat some green juice energy this morning before I go. Green juice energy. 1 cup of green goodness. You want some?
Mama, me I want some. Me. Me want some.
What's our face like? Where's mine? I know you guys. Ah, that's good. We're out. Taking brother to school.
Mama,
Yes, baby.
when the gate is a little bit is open and we are closer to it, I'm going to use my magic.
Oh, it's cold this morning. It's windy. It's very windy. All right, let's go. First. Enjoy her walks to take Tyler to school every morning. She's just looking up at all the trees and all the leaves and listening to Tyler chit-chatting, going on her way to school. Look at her.
Mama,
And then on her way back, she's just gonna fall asleep.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
when I was yellow, it's that bus I take to go to Park City.
Okay. Sister. I told you guys that taking Tyler to school on this walk is magic for Sarah in the mornings. I guarantee you she 100% will fall asleep. And I'm never wrong. Every time. But who wouldn't if it's this comfy and mama? Oh. Oh my gosh. You guys, I got mail. I got mail and I think I know what it is. Oh. Oh, who can guess what this is? Let's see how good you guys are. Comment down below and let's know, what do you think this is in my mail? Dun, 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 dun. Comment down below, you comment, you put your comment, you put your comment, you put your comment. Let's see. Who is right? Who is right? Who is right? Who is right? two things in here. Boom. My Aki, Christmas breakfast just got late. Christmas breakfast just got late. Listen, I never thought that I was gonna get Aki for Christmas, because where we normally order the Aki from is Amazon, but it's from Tropical Sun. And let me tell you something, when we go on to order, because of course it's Christmas time, they tripled the price. Tripled the price, and I was like, no, boo, it's alright. Me no want it. And then I realized that I didn't have any browning, which I thought I had. So I had to order browning. So then I said, okay, if I'm gonna order browning, then might as well I order the Aki same time. So that way the shipment cost will be worth it. So I got my browning to bake, and I got my Akis. And I'm so excited. You have no idea. You got no idea. All my Christmas menu is about to be litty. Okay? If I don't feel like I'm in Jamaica this Christmas, then honey, yes. The only thing I regret is that I should have bought more browning. That wasn't so smart on my part, because the browning is cheap. Very, very cheap. The browning is €1, €1.49, and I only bought 2. I should have bought at least 5. But that's okay. I just have to order more when I'm ready for it. But however, I discovered a new website that ships to France that is called Blue Mountain Peak. BlueMountainPeak.com, and it have the authentic original Jamaican brand. I even found out that they have Bami. So the next time I'm gonna order Jamaican products, hopefully I can order the authentic Jamaican brand and support the Jamaican brand instead of Tropical Sun. But let's see. Fingers crossed that I'll be able to do that. So I have my Aki, and Christmas just gets more excited. I'm so excited, you guys. So browning for baking, and I have a little browning leaf in the cupboard, and some will left for cooking. But I'm just regretting that I didn't order enough of the browning. And how many Akis is 1, 3, 6, 19 of Aki. Well, I have Aki to last me for a while, because these are the big tins. So yes, honey. Did you guess Aki and browning? If you did, then you were right. If you didn't, then girl, what are you thinking? Anyway, you guys, I am going to make me some breakfast right now. I don't know what I'm gonna eat for breakfast, but let's figure that out. My girl is over here cooking as usual. Let me show you her. Miss Kikisha. Look at those legs. Look at those legs. Look at those legs. Look at them legs. Yes, Kikisha. Yes, Kikisha. Yes, Kikisha. Yes, Kikisha. Yes, Kikisha. She loves to kick. That's all she do. Kick, kick, kick.
Cute.
Our brother is home. Brother is home, princess. Oh my gosh, you guys, today is one of the hardest day I've had in a long time. Sarah didn't allow me to do nothing much. She cried a lot today. The gum gel didn't work, the teething ring didn't work, the ice in the rag didn't work. Only thing worked for her today was cuddling mama. I was praying for Tyler to hurry up and come home because I know Tyler would make her smile. So she finally fell asleep, and when I put her down, she woke up crying. She just wanted to be in my arms. She didn't sleep until I was unless she was in my hand, or when I was walking to go pick up Tyler. She sleep on the way. As I leave the house, she fell asleep, and on our way back. But yeah, life happens, and that's okay. It's a part of parenting. It's a part of having a baby. It's a part of it all. And Tyler is home now, and she's happy. So yeah, I didn't do nothing today, nothing, but that's okay. That's completely okay. Not even dinner. I didn't get to whip up the way I want to whip it. I made some soup, vegetable soup. This is zucchini, not too hard. Zucchini, carrot, and broccoli. Yes, and fish. And I didn't get to cook the quinoa, so I had to go with the Sunday Monday rice from yesterday, which I really didn't want to eat, but that's okay. It happens, and it's food, and I'm gonna eat it. Sarah wants everything that anybody put at their mouth right now. She's so ready to eat. However, I do put everything that I'm eating at her mouth. She loves yogurt. I always turn out the glass when I'm drinking juice in her mouth.
Mama, I must catch my water.
Yeah, I must catch your water bottle.
Yeah.
Let me give her some of the green soup.
Let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue. Let me see your tongue.
You see how she hold on to my hand and push it in her mouth?
Oh, no, no. Mama here.
She eats it. Sarah, I love the green soup. Come, more. Look at her, you guys, look at her.
Mama, I can't eat with my hand.
Look at her, you guys, look at Sarah.
I need this spoon. I can't eat with my hand. The ketchup
Here.
messed up my hand.
Sorry for your spoon. Sarah, I'll give you food. Oh.
You are hard to miss.
Come, Sarah. So, Sarah, you guys seen Sarah eating her first solids. Come.
Oh,
Look at that.
Mais c'est la moustache verte.
She's happy.
C'est la moustache. She wants to feed herself. She wants to feed herself from Mama. She wants to feed herself.
You guys see her? She eating that? Let me zoom in on her so you guys can see her.
They can't see you.
They can see Sarah. Come.
Yeah.
She's so happy. My girl will be 5 months tomorrow, honey. Jeez. You can't out your mouth.
Tomorrow Saba will be 5 months.
Mm-hmm. Yes, look at her. It's sweeter. I can't wait to start making your own.
Oh yeah.
Yes, girl, yes. She love it. It's safe to say I won't have a problem feeding my kid veggies. The way she just glop down that. Sorry, so ready for solids. Sorry, just keep eating this soup and eating this soup and eating this soup until her clothes is messy, and she loves it. Look at her. The way she go down on it. Look at her. Mama know you were ready for it. Come. You don't want any more? Look at her. Let Faves get a good look of this face. Look at that face.